Looking for the Hostinger coupon code 2026? Watch this video. The coupon is automatically applied through my link, so you do not need to enter any coupon code. See, this is the proof that you are getting the Hostinger discount. First, click the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link in this video description. At the top right corner, you can see the flag icon. Click it so the prices will appear in your local currency. Next, select the hosting type you need, such as web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, or VPS hosting. I am selecting VPS hosting. As you can see, the coupon is automatically applied. There is no need to enter a coupon code. Next, you can see the plan options. Take your time and choose a plan for your needs. I am selecting the most popular KVM2 plan. After reviewing the plan, click the Choose Plan button. Next, you will reach the Order Summary page. Here, select the billing period of 1, 12, or 24 months. A 24-month billing period is recommended because you can save more now. You will also receive a free domain for 1 year. Next, in the Order Summary, see the 20% referral discount. This discount is applied through my link. Now, click the Continue button. Enter your email address and create a password. Once completed, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete your payment and you will receive an email. And that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal through the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link. It is very